on Netflix, Spotify, and all those popular streaming websites by using this website here. So make sure you watch the full video and stay tuned. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you smash guys, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyways guys, let's get straight in the video. So today guys, take a look at this application here called Gamsgo. This is pretty much a shared subscription or premium subscription website where you go to buy, let's say Netflix, but you can get it at a cheaper price, but it's shared. So you have a lot of things other than Netflix alone. You got AI subscription as well. You have ChatGPT accounts here. You have Disney Plus, quite a lot of options which you can choose from. So you can just tap on the all section here. You can scroll down and for what you want, you can see here what they offer. You have the Disney Plus and so forth. So quite a lot of options. Or you can tap on view all down here to see other options as well. So you can see Gemini and so forth. So as you can see here, quite a lot of options which you can choose from, and you get it half the price of the original subscription, so it's more likely a shared subscription. So other users will be using the same account, and let me tell you, it's very easy to log in. And if you have any problem with logging in, you can always contact their support team. I've purchased a Netflix account from them and it's been working great. So as you can see here, quite a lot of options you can choose from. You can scroll and scroll. Quite a lot of options, guys. I'm not joking, a lot of options. Over here now you have the Disney Plus. You can go in other sections, let's say music section, as you can see here. All of that to do is just scroll and we see different options. You have the Netflix down here as well. You can scroll across down here. It all depends on what you want, guys. So if it's not there, you can always let them know by the support or the feedback to let them add that account section to it. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for that there. And once you have purchased any subscription at all you gotta do is just go in the subscription section here and you will be seeing your login information here. But this is just a free AI that they offer, nothing much. But here you will see pretty much your subscription, your email, you need to log in, how long the subscription, how much days you have left on the subscription, and also the password. So easy, very easy to log in, guys. And if you have any problem and it's not logging in, you can always contact their support by just tapping on this here, support, and you'll get in touch with one right away. So very great website. So I'll just refresh this real quick. And you can also use their coupon. And as you can see here, again, guys, if you want discount on anything that you're going to purchase on this website, you can use my link below. Make sure you're in my description of this video. Check out my link. You can use that link to pretty much get discount on anything that you want to purchase on this website here. So yes. That's really pretty much it for this website. And as over here, once you have logged in your Google account and so forth, you're pretty much good to go. You're pretty much good to go. So yeah, very great website, and I will recommend it to anyone that wants a subscription, Netflix subscription, Spotify subscription, but it's kind of too expensive for them and they can't pay that expensive price and they want a little cheaper. You can check out this website, Gamsgo. Very good website, guys. So yeah, if I missed anything or if you have any questions that you want to ask, feel free to comment below. I would gladly love to help you out. And with all that said, guys, make sure to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to use my link below in my description. Get discount on anything that you purchase on this website. With all that said, guys, make sure to subscribe my channel. See you in the next tutorial.